new lingo today about this end behavior stuff. So if I had this graph that went like this, woo, woo, okay. All we care about is if I'm talking about, hey, what's my graph doing on the left side? Meaning, and this is new notation, check this out, people. We're going to say the limit, L-I-M. You don't have to put it in a little cursive. I just often do my L as a cursive there. As x approaches, we've never really done arrows before, but we're just going to say my x is approaching negative infinity. And you're like, what? This is brand new, people. All this is asking is saying, hey, what's my graph doing as we go to the left side? Negative infinity. Do you agree this is my x-axis? Boop, boop, boop. And so when we're saying as my x's go to the negative infinity, that arrow has to be, it's an arrow, not an equal sign, because you can't equal infinity. Infinity is not a number, so you can never equal it. Because Jack's going to say, well, I am infinity plus 1. And Coop's going to say, well, I'm infinity plus 2. And they both are, like, it's not a number. So we can never say equals infinity, but we're saying as x goes towards negative infinity. That's just saying as my x values go to the negative infinity, what's my y doing, okay? If we want to refer to going to the right side, you're going to say the limit, L-I-M, as x approaches positive infinity. That's how you decipher what's going on with our graph. Now, if I were to write what the limit is in this picture, as I go all the way to the left, what are those y values doing? They're going up, 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 up to how big do you think? Yes, Jack. So on this picture here, I would say of p of x, it's going to infinity. I chose this p of x because it's right here. I just use whatever name of the graph. So this is letting the reader know, hey, the limit as my x's are going left of the function, my y's are going to infinity. Over here it's saying, hey, as my x's are going to the right of my function p of x, what are my y's doing in this picture? They're going down to negative infinity. Beautiful. So now we're going to practice this little notation a little bit again. Okay, peeps. This cute little graph. We're going to use that notation again. Ready? You're going to say the limit. As x approaches, I typically write negative infinity first, but it doesn't matter. I go from kind of left to right. This graph is considered f of x, so I'm going to say of f of x is. And this just means that we're going to the left. As we go to the left, what is my graph doing as I go to the left? Down to negative infinity. And decreasing is a perfect word as well. Negative infinity. So I'm letting you know this over here is talking about left and right. This over here, I'll put it into a different color, is talking about up and down. So I'm going to say this is talking about, or my up and my down. Whoops, down. What if we say the limit as x approaches positive infinity? That's just saying as my graph is going to the right of my function, what are those y's doing? They're also going down. So both these answers are negative infinity, and that's fine. Okay, last thing. Could we draw a picture that says as we go to the left, what is my graph going to be doing? It's going up. And then if I go to the right, it's going down. Oh, you just missed the whole lesson. If we go to the left, my graph has to go up. If we go to the right, my graph has to go down. What could a picture of that look like? Both of these would work. Anyone do anything? Okay. Would this work? To the left, am I going up? And to the right, am I going down? Okay. Would this work? Yeah, right? You know what I'm saying? So I need you to know when they're saying, as my x's are going to infinities and negative infinities, they do not care what's going on in the middle. They only care what's happening all the way to the left and all the way to the right. We could be crazy party in the middle. Sound good? That leading term is what's going to dictate, the end behavior. Okay, people, we got this. This guy here, 7x to the 6, blah, blah, blah. What is this general shape going to look like of this crazy polynomial? It's that degree is going to make the difference, right? Barbara, the degree is going to look like this. Woo! And it's going to be facing up because my 7's positive? Okay. You guys, what would you say about my end behaviors in this one? They're both going up versus down would be a negative something to this even power. So if it has an even degree, the left and the right will behave the same. Okay, Lily. Lily, what are you having? You guys, if we've got the leading coefficient has an odd degree, our graphs could look like this or like that. What are those end behaviors doing? They're going to be different, but you already got a treat, a sweet treat. They're going to behave the opposite, I'm going to say. So, I've got 6 bags of treats up here. Not for Jack Heald, because he didn't bring us the cake.
I got you with chocolate bread.
Okay, guys.
Maybe just skip the morning.
Negative x cubed. Okay, x cubed looks like this. What would negative x cubed be? Whoosh, right? So if it was positive x cubed, it'd be going up. Since it's negative x cubed, it's going to be going down. Okay, so this then says the limit as x goes to negative infinity. Barber, this is something new for you. The limit as x goes to negative infinity, all that's saying, Barber, is if we go to the left, what are my y's doing? Going up to infinity. Barber wasn't even here, and he gets gummy bears. Here we go. Who's got as x goes to positive infinity? Audrey, do you want to do when x goes to positive infinity?
Sure.
Those y's are going?
Down.
You got it. Okay. X to the 5th. What's that one going to look like? X to the 5th is that leading coefficient. Lulu, what you doing? Are we saying it's going to go up or down? If it's positive x to the 5th. This is up. That's down. Yeah, I agree, because it's positive. So it's going to go up from left to right. If it was down, it'd be going down from left to right. Okay, Miss Lulu. As x goes to negative infinity, as we go left, what are my y's doing? You got it. Who's got my right? Leah. If I'm going to positive infinity, as I'm going to the right, what are my y's doing? You got it. 2. Infinity. Love it. Lyra. Negative x to the 4th. Facing down, right? Okay. Lyra, if it looks like that. To the left. What are my y's doing? Going down. Russell. To the right. As x approaches positive infinity, my y's are going
Down.
down. Good job.